Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Money supply questions are fast if you know the definitions. We must find which transaction immediately decreases both M1 and M2 measures.
First, remember that M1 includes currency and checkable deposits, while M2 includes everything in M1 plus savings. We need a move that takes money out of these specific liquid categories.
In option A, Sonia uses her checking account to buy a newly issued government bond. This moves her liquid cash into a long-term security that is not counted as money.
Since money held by the government is not in the supply, both M1 and M2 drop instantly. That makes option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi, avoid rushing and watch signs, trust given facts, and check your steps carefully.